Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you all enjoyed yesterday's madness of lasagna and sweets and chocolates and. Marianne made some amazing brownies as well. Great cheat day. So after that, getting back into healthy eating, looking forward to some healthy food. We've got a whole lot of vegetables left over from the week and, well, not left over from the week, but left over from the last couple of days. And the thing to always do when you have food left over that's more than you're going to eat is roast it, basically. So we're basically going to roast this up and we're going to pop it onto some salad greens, and that is going to be tonight's dinner. It's exciting, and stay tuned.